Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Sharpen tool in Photoshop. Go to the layer panel and background layer copy. Select the Sharpen tool from the toolbar and follow the process. And increase the brush size. And drag the brush around the jewelry. If you see Sharpen in the background, then select Erase tool and follow the process and remove the background Sharpen. Now we use Sharpen tool from the photo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.